Year 1973, mint mark T type Jefferson nickel price 5 cents to $18 plus. Face value zero point zero 0.05 US dollar. Produced 261,405,000. Age smooth. How much is a 1973 D Jefferson nickel worth? This section is more of a layman's guide for those new to collecting. In average circulated condition, it's worth around 5 cents. One in certified mint state condition could bring as much as $18 at auction. This price does not reference any standard coin grading scale. So when we say average circulated, we mean in a similar condition to other coins circulated in 1973, and mint state meaning it is certified MS Plus by one of the top coin grading companies. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.